I was definitely the only girl amongst like way too many people. And then all of a sudden I see these young Groms like on the shore and I'm like, are they coming out? Like, it's not like many girls surf this wave. I was like, oh my God, sick, like let's see it. And it was Hazel and Cy and I saw them in the lineup and you know, they were both out there giving it a go.
Big sensor. Oh, that's so cool. Might try it. I think I might catch him like 1 or 2. Definitely not the big one.
They had their coach, Ollie, really helping them and guiding them through it, and it was really awesome.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
I thought I'd just sit at the edge, but then I saw a few smaller waves and I loved fun. Like, me and Hazel watched like a good few waves go by and we were like, no, we have to get one.
Clap along if you feel like happiness.
Oh, I saw the bottom of the reef and it was so shallow.
You know what happiness is to you.
The one I got barreled in it one actually.
That's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. The love is too.
I was getting more scared but more excited at the same time.
Bring me down, I said.
It wasn't as bad as I thought. I didn't panic, which is good. That's like one of the biggest steps for us. For all the time I'll remember it. That's pretty cool to be a 13-year-old surfing right. That's a big thing.
No judges, no scores, just them and the wave.
That's like the coolest thing about this next generation. Like, it was pushing me, you know?
One handy reef break and one unreal reef break. Brilliant work. They're the youngest girls to ever surf Riley's.
Well, I'd love to see the girls trying to push themselves in these like heavy waves.
It's so good to see girls out at a place like that. Like, this is the future of women surfing in Ireland.